Guidelines on how to add paintings to the home. Please subscribe to motivate us. Gone are the days when displaying artwork was limited to simply hanging a picture on the wall. Today, there are too many ideas and concepts that can spruce up the home look with artwork. Follow these guidelines on how to decorate your home and make it look great. Number 1. Should be in the right proportion. It is always the main factor to consider when decorating home with artwork or paintings. The size of the items should be in proportion to your room. It needs to fit into the relative scale and should not hide other items of the room. The artwork should be in sync. You can combine the smaller artwork with bigger to make the wall look dramatic. Number 2. Don't overcrowd room with the artwork. Always arrange artwork or paintings in a neat way so that it looks good. Don't make it look overwhelming. There should be a lot of space between them in the room to get their individual identity. If all the artwork is at one place, it will make the home look cluttered. Always display the artwork at different places to make it feel noticed. Artwork should serve as a focal point in your room. Number 3. Artwork should be in sync with room functionality. Before placing an artwork, decide the motif or style. For example, in the living room you can add motivational artwork to keep yourself in high spirits. In the dining area, you can add food motif. In this way, you will have a theme that will connect with the room's overall function. Nom. 4. Mix and match. While purchasing any artwork, make sure that it should match the settings of your room. Always take into consideration materials and the effect it will lend to your room. The artwork displayed should match with present elements of the room. Final thoughts. Decorating the space with artwork is not a cakewalk, but with the above-mentioned ways and following these guidelines you can transform the look of the space. It's always a good idea to get professional help in case you're confused. If not, you can move ahead with all these creative and innovative ideas or go with the flow. Thanks for watching the video.